Today I'm reviewing this blanket, and this is like very popular among couples, and since the holidays are coming up, you know, and also it's cold. Like, look at it! I love it. Everyone has their own little weirdo. Do you see it? It's so hard to see from this angle. I apologize, but I'm trying my best. And it's so warm, and I like the details, everything, and it feels like it's so soft. And it doesn't feel thin either. It's pretty thick. Like, it doesn't even, you can't even see through it much. And it's just so soft and comfortable. It's the other side, by the way. But yeah, it's perfect for couples. You can even hang it, honestly. It's just so pretty. I definitely do recommend this. It's pretty. It also keep you warm. Wait, look at the pretty heart. And at the bottom, it says, I don't know if you can read it, but it says, "You're my favorite weirdo." And so it's perfectly for couples because, you know,